Sorry, say it again.
The backlog, you are saying backlog.
Right. So backlog is basically list of item. Okay. All those user story that will consist of, the backlog. The backlog contains all the user stories. It's just a place where you create all the user story. It's the space where you create it. That is called backlog.
Okay.
Okay. So, all right. So what we went through today, like agile team consists of product owner 1 person, scrum master 1 person, and development team 5 to 7 people, which include developer, QAs, and data analyst, anybody who is actually working by hand to like write the code, test the code, and do anything. That is the part of development team. Okay. And the BA, agile BA, is a person who is helping the product owner to create user stories and backlog. Okay. Create user stories and fill up the backlog. And backlog is a document that contain all the user story in it. Okay. Backlog is a place, or it is a document which contain all the user stories for that product. Okay. So that is the backlog. So as a BA, you when you start work as a BA, you get to know which product you are working, and then you get to know the product owner, and then you schedule meeting with the product owner, and the first thing you do, you create like a business wish list. You just ask the question that, hey, what features you want in that product, and they will start telling you, I want this, I want that, I want that. For example, like, Mary's store example that initially we watched. Okay. So Mary wants that, like a toys, like on the website, and then also want app, and also want this, that's the list. Okay. So there's a wish list they have. And then after you so there might be like a 20 item in the wish list there that they want. Okay. So then you ask, then the second step, you ask, out of these 20 items, when they will say that's it they want, then mean their wish list is complete. Okay. So then you ask, like, out of this wish list of whatever the 20 items, whatever the 10 most important that you absolutely need. Okay. What is the first most important? Start from there. Second, third, fourth, up till 10. Okay. When you have 10, you completed the second step. Then, and second meeting maybe. Okay. And then next, top most important, you pick up that story, and you start writing the acceptance criteria. You ask the question, hey, product owner, how you gonna verify that in this story as a user you want this, how you gonna verify that you got it? And then they will be telling you, okay, I will check this one, I'll check this thing, I'll check this thing. All that will be acceptance criteria you will document in the user story. And similarly, you will do for each of the user stories that you have in the business wish list. Okay. So that is, and when you will be doing it, so you are basically working on creating the backlog, because you are working the user story are part of the backlog. So then all the user story will comprises the product backlog. Okay. And product backlog is just a placeholder, a document where all the user stories are being documented. Okay. So that's it. Like, next there will be like I've given you concept of sprint, that what is sprint. So when you have some stories ready, then the team can start sprinting. Okay. Means development. So sprint is basically a time box, a iteration comprised of like 2 weeks, which means 10 working days from day 1 to day 10. Okay. And in that sprint, team do three main activities, three main events that happen in that sprint. Okay. uh, in So that is the first event that happens. That is like the sprint planning meeting, okay, which happens on the day one of the sprint. Okay, sprint planning meeting, this happens on the day one of the sprint. Okay, and then from day 2 to day 10, daily stand up happen. From day 2 to day 10, every day, okay, daily stand up happen. So daily stand up every day from day 2 to day 9 basically. Okay, and then sprint review meeting, that happens on the day 10. Okay, so what these meetings are about, that I'm going to tell you in the next session. Okay, make sense? And this part of the meeting I'm gonna upload and then share it with you, just the revision. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Tomorrow will be off. Day after tomorrow we will have next session.
Okay, and you are ask me about the interview, record an interview. I have to do it waterfall or agile?
Waterfall. So
Okay.
so far you are like a BA in a traditional environment that we have completed, and also you need to go and watch all those videos again.
Yeah.
To refresh your knowledge, because you took too much vacations and it's now kind of you forgot most of the stuff. So you need to go watch those video, make time, and so that you will remember, and that this time when you will watch, it will make kind of a better sense.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
Okay then. Thank you. Bye for now.